Hello friends, welcome back to Newton's Club. Let's begin this video with some numbers. There are 3.5 billion working people in this world, almost 50% of the entire population. And all these 3.5 billion employees are creating a revenue of around $100 trillion. Of this $100 trillion revenue, around 20% is contributed by manufacturing industries, with almost 70% from the service industries. But here is the interesting thing. Although the service sector contributes around 70% of the revenue, most of the media used in service industries are from manufacturing industries. For example, we are in a tourism sector, which is a service sector involving buses, cars, planes, etc. But where do these vehicles come from? They all originate from the manufacturing industries. So, we choose to explain the ins and outs of the manufacturing industry in this series of videos. Now let's pause and think for a moment. Everything you see around you, whether it's a laptop, a mobile phone, a book, a pen, a chair, or a bed, every tangible item around you is the output of some kind of manufacturing industry, whether it be small or large. Let's take the example of a mobile phone that we use every day. When someone wants to buy a new mobile phone, what are the major specifications they look at and compare with others? The battery, the camera, the display, processor, and storage, right? Would you believe that each of these tangible parts is the output of huge manufacturing industries? In fact, separate industries or factories with millions of people collectively working to produce them. Let's consider a simpler yet fascinating example, a chocolate. We have all eaten a chocolate at least once in our lives, right? When we have it in our hand, we simply tear off the wrapper and eat the chocolate. But have we ever pondered the effort behind the wrapper? The plastic film protects our chocolate from dust, moisture, and oxygen. And this seemingly simple wrapper is a product of complex process involving multiple elements. The film itself, the printing of the film, and the sealing. Each of these elements is managed by separate industry or factories. Furthermore, the film has many layers, and each layer is produced by a distinct manufacturing unit or a factory. Hence, the plastic wrap that we casually discard in the dustbin represents the outcome of almost 10 industries. The plastic film industry alone contributes approximately $200 billion in revenue and employs almost 10 million people worldwide. With such a large workforce in every factory, the need for coordination is paramount. Random tasks are not feasible in such complex environment. Instead, a structured approach is essential, guided by a set of rules and regulations that all employees must adhere to. This involves dividing the workforce into specialized sections or departments, with each assigned specific tasks to ensure the efficiency and quality. Let's consider a scenario where there are 10 sequential tasks required to produce the output, the plastic film. Employees are organized into specific sections, each assigned to carry out a particular task. These sections operate sequentially, with each completing its task before passing the work to the next section. Despite handling tasks of varying expertise, these sections must ultimately collaborate to ensure the final product reaches the market. For instance, the finance section oversees all the monetary transactions, while the production section focuses on material manufacturing. Although the tasks in finance and production section differ significantly, they must integrate and coordinate to achieve the desired output. This collaborative approach exemplifies how thousands of individuals are managed within a factory environment. Sales, marketing, corporate, human resource, sourcing, production, quality, packing, storage, and dispatch. These are some of the major sections of almost any manufacturing industry. This is just the introduction to the inside of an industry. We'll end the video here, and in the next video, we'll explain the functions of all these sections, comparing them with a real-life common example to make it easier for us to understand. Thank you, have a nice day, and see you in the next video.